Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect PayPal to Redbubble. First, you will need to open your web browser and log into your Redbubble account. Once you are successfully logged in, look for your account icon or name, usually in the top right corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings. From there, you will find the Edit Payment Details section, which is where we will set up your PayPal. Within the Edit Payment Details section, you will see options for how you want to get paid. It is crucial to select your preferred currency, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds, as this choice is permanent. Next, choose the option to deposit into your verified PayPal account. After making this selection, click the Verify PayPal Account button to move to the next step in the connection process. Upon clicking Verify PayPal Account, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal website. Here, you need to log into your PayPal account using your credentials. After logging in, PayPal will ask you to authorize Redbubble to connect and share specific account details. Agree to this connection. It is essential that your PayPal account is already fully verified, meaning you have a confirmed bank account or card linked to it for a smooth connection. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be returned to Redbubble, where a confirmation banner should appear. Remember, Redbubble has a payment threshold of $20, 20 euros, or 20 pounds. Your earnings will accumulate until this amount is reached. Payments are typically processed around the 15th of every month. You can always confirm your PayPal connection by checking the Getting Paid section in your Redbubble account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.